Meet Ashwin Subramanian, the man who has been supporting Indian chess in a big way. When the Help Chess Foundation began, Ashwin instituted a scholarship called Pursue Your Chess Scholarship. It was 50,000 rupees and was won by Samet Shetty. The boy from Kolhapur went on to become an IM after he received the scholarship of rupees 50,000. In the next year, Ashwin increased the scholarship amount to 75,000 rupees. This was won by Shahil Dey and Anirudh Potawad. Shahil Dey received 50,000, Anirudh got 25,000. This helped Shahil to become the first ever international master from Northeast India, and Anirudh got great training from Grandmaster Vishnu Prasanna. For the first time, the boy worked with a GM. Currently, we are in the third edition of Pursue Your Chess Scholarship. This time, the amount has been increased to rupees 1 lakh. It was won by two talented youngsters of Indian chess, Harikrishnan ARA and Neelash Saha, both IMs with a rating of 2400 plus. Both of them received 50,000 each. With this amount, Harikrishnan, who is now trying for his GM title, today bought a laptop, a brand new one, and he sent us these pictures. His old laptop was 6 years old and he was not able to prepare in the best possible way for chess. With the Pursue Your Chess Scholarship, he has been able to overcome this barrier. Ashwin has not only been supporting chess players financially through the Help Chess Foundation, but also supports them through R.B. Ramesh's Chess Gurukul Foundation, where he also contributed rupees 1 lakh this year. He also helps the youngsters of Indian chess with technical expertise as he works in Intel and is a wonderful chess photographer as well. I met him at Kolkata for the Tata Steel Chess India, and here is an interview with this wonderful personality. I'm here with Ashwin Subramanian. Ashwin, you work at the Intel. You are a great photographer.
Thank you.
You are also supporting chess players. You have instituted the Pursue Your Chess Scholarship, which is into its third year. What is it that you do so? Why is it that you do so much for chess? And you're here, you're a full-time professional.
It's just love for the game. I mean, I truly love and admire the game, the players, the community. For me, it just brings a lot of joy and happiness to be able to do what I'm able to do, and I'm very grateful that I'm able to give in many ways. So,
You are here at the Tata Steel Chess India. How was your experience?
terrific. I mean, way better than I imagined. I think I thoroughly enjoyed myself. Just meeting players, the ambience at the hall, being able to take a lot of photographs. I didn't feel the time go by. I can't believe it's already over and I'm on my way back waiting for my taxi.
And then you're also going to Dubai.
Yes, I'm really looking forward to that. So my thought process was, Calcutta is 2.5 hours away and Dubai is 3.5 hours away. So, and when is a World Championship going to happen there again? So why not leverage this opportunity and visit there for a few days? So I'm going to be there for 4 days.
So you are a good chess player. You are a former world amateur champion as well. So do these tournaments you visit for your chess improvement, to meet new people, to meet your old friends?
I think it's probably all of what you said, because there are nuggets that you pick up that help you with your chess improvement. Of course, meeting people who are friends, like I was able to meet a lot of top players over here, and meeting with you, spending time with you and Amrita. I mean, I just totally enjoy the entire experience.
And you also work a lot in Intel, right? You are busy.
Yeah.
So this is some kind of time off from your work.
Absolutely. It just takes my mind off, helps me relax and focus on something completely different. Now I'm energized to go back and resume work from tomorrow. So,
Yeah, it's Monday. You have to start working. What do you do at Intel?
I'm a software engineering manager. So I manage a group of people and we deliver software to our own factories, basically enterprise software.
Tell us a bit about this Pursue Your Chess Scholarship. You have already helped players like Samet Shetty, Shahil Dey, Anirudh Potawad. This year it was Harikrishnan and Neelash Saha. How did this thought come about?
For me, I think during my childhood, I felt having something of this sort would have helped me pursue my chess. And since I couldn't, I pursued a completely different route. So I wanted to make sure people have whatever they need, and finance doesn't come in the way of them being able to pursue their passion. And I see that a lot of these chess players have the courage and commitment to pursue their passions. I wanted to do my bit to encourage it. Right?
And every year it's growing. First year it was 50k, 75k, 1 lakh. I guess you're also supporting some other chess players. You contribute to the Chess Gurukul
Yeah.
foundation run by RB Ramesh.
Yeah.
It's quite a sizable amount.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, I'm very, very grateful I'm able to do this, and I'm able to give a part of what I can to support the community and the players. So I feel like I'm able to do it, honestly.
And you also read a lot of books.
Yeah.
So if you have to recommend few books to our readers, what would they be?
I would say, a couple of books that really made a difference, to me is The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. That's one of them. And more recently, there's a book called The Code of the Extraordinary Mind. It kind of really touched me fairly deeply in terms of how to really pursue your goals in many areas of your life and have a more balanced life in general. And there are so many other books for various aspects of life, but these are a couple of books that were foundational for me. I think these are two books that come. And there's one more book which I read in my 11th grade when I was having a difficult, actually my 12th grade when I was having a difficult period of not getting through IIT and so on. It's called The Magic of Thinking Success. And that's another book that made a huge difference in my thought process and my approach towards life.
Well, thank you so much, Ashwin.
Yeah.
Talking to you was wonderful. And you do so much for the chess community. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sagar. Thanks. Pleasure meeting you, and thanks to all the amazing work you do for Chess India.
Thank you.